Now, factorization method. There is 4 methods that you can do. Method 1, which is find the common factor. Okay, you listen first, okay? I'll give you time to copy. So listen first, huh? Now, what do you mean by find a common factor? Example, let's say I have 6x plus 6y. What is the common factor between the two terms? Amsha or Nurin? Both of them can be divided with a number. What number is that? That's the meaning of common factor. Nurin?
C.
Yes, very good. So you take out 6 and you left x and a y. So this is the first method of factorization. Now, second one, method 2. Now, method 2, what I call this square minus square. Okay, what do you mean by square minus square? Now, whenever you see x square minus 25, this is actually x square minus 5 square. Am I right? So this is called square minus square. So whenever you see this, the way to factorize will be x minus 5, x plus 5. Can you see this? Now, I give you another example. Yes, okay. So I give you another example. Let's say I have 4x squared minus 100. Now, you have to do you have to follow the method, the sequence. First, you apply the method 1 first. When I see this, I see there's a common factor, which is 2, which is 4, sorry. When I take out 4, I have 25 here. Am I right? I repeat once again. When the question asks for factorization, follow the sequence method 1, 2, 3, 4. So you apply method 1 first. When you see common factor, you take out the common one first. After that, you apply method 2. Can you see square minus square? Yes, I saw x square minus 5 square. So the way to factorize will be copy down x minus 5, x plus 5. Okay? I'll give you another example. Let's say 4x squared minus 49, let's say. Method 1, is there any common factor between the two terms? No. Method 2, can you see square minus square? Yes. This is actually 2x squared minus 7 squared. So I'll get 4x squared. Sorry, I shouldn't re-multiply in. So when you see square minus square, factorize straight away. 2x minus 7 and 2x plus 7. You know what I'm talking? Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, method 3. Don't worry, if you don't understand, I will explain again next class. Because method 3 is a bit complicated. Now, so let's look at some question. Method 3, you can use calculator, which I don't encourage you to do. I will teach you how to do it. You press mode 3 times and go for equation. Okay? And then press this button 2 times and then key in A, B, and C. So what is A, B, and C? Okay, now method 3, you will see something like this. I repeat once again. If you don't understand what I'm talking, it's okay. Now, I will repeat again next week. Okay, now, so method 3, remember, don't worry, if you don't understand, it's okay. So now, first one, you can use calculator to press, which I don't encourage you to do. But I want you to copy down only the way, okay? So there is a second way, which we call it butterfly. I call it butterfly. Your school don't know what is butterfly, only from Miss Tan. Okay, the butterfly, it means cross multiply. Okay, what do you mean by cross multiply? Okay, let's say I have a question, x squared plus 8x plus 7. Okay, now, so how I know, teacher, this is method what? Okay, first, can you find common factor? No. Can you do square minus square? No. Okay, method 3, what is method 3? When you will have an x square. You have an x square and an x and a number. You have 3 things on. You have 3 terms. Okay? You use method 3 when you have 3 terms. Okay, now, so what do you mean by cross multiply? Or butterfly? First, you just draw a butterfly first, across lah. X is actually, the factors of X is X times X, right? What about factor of 7? 1 times 7, am I right? So you put here 1 and 7. Here X and X. And then you draw a table. So this one, X times X is X squared. 1 times 7 is 7, and both are positive, right? Here, this cross multiply. When X multiply with plus 7, you get positive 7X. When X multiply 1, you get X. Positive X. The last one here must be add together one. So plus X plus 7X is how much? Plus 8X. So you double check and see. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? Yes. So eventually the way you write will be this way, which is X plus 1, X plus 7. Okay, I'm going to teach you butterfly only. Until everybody master butterfly, only I'll teach you calculator way. Okay? So now I'm going to give you another example. Let's say I have a question, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now first, can I do method 1? No. Method 2? No. Method 3? Yes. Because of the x squared, an x, and a number. Now, so you have 3 terms. So you have to do the method 3. Am I right? So what is method 3? Butterfly. So butterfly means cross multiply, correct? So x squared. What is the factor of x squared? Is x times x. What about 6? 1 times 6. So put the butterfly, fill in the blank. So this one is x. This one is 1, 6. Double check. Up to you lah, okay? You want to do it, wait this way, okay? X times x squared. 1 times 6, positive 6. Okay? The purpose of having a butterfly is x times with plus 6 plus 6x. X times with plus 1 plus x. So the last one must be add together 1. So this is positive 7x. So is it correct? Double check and see. Is this correct? No. So what we do? Okay. We have to change that. We have forgotten that 6, other than 1 times 6, you have another one which is 2 times 3. So we have to choose this. So we fill in the blank, 2 and 3. So this one times here, plus 3x. This one times here, plus 2x. Add up together, oh, it's 5x. And this one will be positive 6. Okay, check. Is it correct? Yes. So the way you do factorization will be this way. X plus 2, x plus 3. Now, first step, list out the factors. 1 times 42, 2 times 2 times 21, 3 times 4, 6 times 7. Correct? Nurin, am I right? Is that all the factors of 42?
Yes.
Okay, now, then you guess. Which one add up together will give you 13? Nurin? Which pairs add up together will give you 13?
6,
And
7.
Yes. Okay, then do cross multiply or the butterfly. Double check. This and this, 7x. This and this, 6x. X squared, 42, plus together, 13x. So the way you do factorization will be x plus 6, x plus 7. Easy? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now, one more. Because not necessarily every time also plus 1, you know. Because I'm just showing you the easy one. Okay, let's say I give you slightly more difficult one. Okay, now, first thing, remember. First step, do the factors of 51. So 1 times 51. And then, can I do 2? Cannot. 3? Yes. 17. Am I right? Some more? No more already. Correct? How I know whether there is a lot more factors or not? Okay. For example, just now 42, right? 42 is actually 6 times 7. 6 can split some more into 3 and 2, right? So you can be 14 times 3, 6 times 7, 3 times, 2 times 21. But here you cannot split already. It's already done. You know what I'm talking? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So now, so you have to choose now which one is the pair that you want to use. It's either add up together and minus together will give you 14. Okay, now we choose this one. Now, so here is a negative value. So the bigger number must be negative so that when you cross multiply, it becomes negative 7x. Here become positive 3x. So this one must be add up together one. When add up together become negative 14x. Then you times. Okay, so when you have this, you double check, is it correct? Yes, yes, yes. So the way you do factorization will be this way. Will be x minus 17, x plus 3.